Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today's video is another repair video, or we can say it's upgrade video. So in today's video, we are going to be upgrading the RAM on the PowerMac G3. So now, without further ado, let's get started into the video. So here's the PowerMac G3. As you guys have seen in my previous video, I was doing a review on it. So here's the PowerMac. And before you do any replacement or any upgrade on any machine, you have to disconnect the power supply. I've done that. So as you guys can see here, there's no power supply connected to it. I've removed all the cables, including the display connectors. You might not be really aware, but sometimes they might have some statics from the cable. So just to be safe, I've plugged out every single cable connecting to it. So now it's just this machine with no electricity supply. So firstly, to open this machine, you gotta hold this latch slowly. Just be really gentle about it. This is really heavy, so just be very gentle, very gentle. I'm repeating this again and again. Be very gentle with these computers, because these are really old machines and we don't want to disrupt anything. These are pieces of history. We shouldn't be disrupting anything from this computer. Just be really careful about this. I can't stress enough. So that's actually one of the reasons why I didn't brush off all this rust. So you guys can see here, there's a lot of rust built up on this motherboard and all these flex cables, a lot of dust on them. And you guys can see here rustings and everything, but I didn't touch any one of them. So I don't want to do anything that might disrupt this computer. This is actually a piece of history. So yeah, like you guys can see, my camera is off my holder, so I got a film in one hand and do the repair in one hand. So yeah, the best part about this is you don't need any screws for this upgrade. All you need is just a RAM stick and just a bare hands. That's it. So now after we have opened this computer, as you guys can see, here's the RAM stick. Of course, we have 3 more slots. We can upgrade it, but of course I didn't. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open this latch. Be slowly, really gentle with it. I'm being really slow here. So I just realized something. You gotta open both the clips at the same time, because when I was opening one side, the other side was inside. So the RAM stick was actually going upwards. That is very bad. Thankfully, it didn't snap. Slowly take it out. Here's the RAM stick. Now after you guys have taken out the RAM stick, time for the new RAM stick to go in. Of course, for me, for demonstration purposes, I'm using the same RAM stick. So you guys have to use your new one. Yep. So now I have my RAM stick here. This RAM stick is actually quite heavy compared to other RAM sticks. Yeah. So what you have to do is, so just remember that these holes must align with these gaps in between them. Slowly put this in. Just be careful. Just be really careful with this. You guys can see here, I'm just putting it in, and now I gotta snap both into place. So I couldn't push the RAM stick in and hold the camera at the same time, and my stand was really too high for this, so I had to do this by this. So as I was pushing this in, I had to actually open these clips, right? So I just want to say this: when you open this clip, make sure you open this clip out, put the RAM on top of the clip, and you just lower it together with it. It's not a way of you just opening the clip, putting it in it and snapping it on. So you gotta follow how the clip goes. Remember that. And after it's inside, you gotta push the RAM in a bit. It's just a little. I was really scared to do it, but you just gotta push it in a little just for the RAM to go in and sit correctly. I hope the RAM is correctly seated. I put it back in the same slot where I took it from, because I don't want to disrupt anything from this computer ever again. This is the last time I'm doing such a thing. So now let's turn this on. I'm really stressed out now, but let's turn this on. Okay, I press the on button, and as you guys can see here, it's turning on. So luckily, yep, was really tensed out about it. Thankfully, it loaded up really well, like as usual. No glitches, nothing. Was really stressed out, but I guess we managed to pull this upgrade up. So you guys might be wondering why it's blue in color. That's because my display output cable is a little sensitive. That's how you replace or upgrade the RAM on your PowerMac G3. Pretty easy, isn't it? Of course it is easy, because those were the times when Apple was really pushing hard on repairability by including the manual booklets and everything on how to repair your Mac, and basically just to make it last forever. So they were actually trying to make Macs last forever, just to increase your self-repairability options and just let you keep upgrading. But sadly, now Apple is the total opposite. Well, that definitely has its own pros and cons. We're not going to go into that, but I really wish we had Macs like this, where we can just open the latch on the front and we can just upgrade our RAM easily. I guess we're not going to see them. So, but yeah guys, but of course it's always fun to play around with these vintage machines and just show you guys how to upgrade the RAM and everything, because a lot of us still have those Macs. Some of them might have just minor issues, like just the RAM has just become too old and the computer refuses to boot up, but because of that, a lot of people just throw them into the trash. such valuable machines go into the trash. That's really not acceptable, and it's really painful seeing it. So yeah guys, that's how you upgrade the RAM on your PowerMac G3. I hope this video helped a lot of you guys having a PowerMac G3 with a bad RAM stick, or just having no RAM at all. So if this video helped you guys, or if you guys learned something from it, do click the like button, and do leave your comments on how this video is, and if you guys like it or not, anything, just do leave it in the comments below. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.